Welcome back to HESA 5. Here's Zane showing you his trains. Zane has recently had a tonsillectomy and adenoidectomy, so he can breathe so much better now. Isn't that right, Zane? Oh no, train derailment. What is going on here? I thought you were going to do the unstoppable train thing or whatever.
It is unstoppable.
So, if you haven't seen the TV movie, or I guess it's not a TV movie, but the movie Unstoppable, you should watch it. It is about an unstoppable train, and Zane really enjoys watching it. Although I would point out you might need some adult supervision because there are a few parts where maybe a child shouldn't be watching that movie. Now wait, is that Emily? I thought Daddy was going to return Emily. Because I thought they sent her without her, she's missing traction treads on one of her wheels.
But Mommy, Jordan had to take all the batteries that he had. The first battery put in him, not working. The second one, not working.
Yeah, I know. So we ordered both Emily and Gordon on Amazon, right? These little motorized trains. Well, Emily came without the treads on her wheels, and Gordon just flat out didn't work. So I would call that an Amazon dud, but I forget which company it was that we ordered it from through Amazon, but we're attempting to return Gordon to get one that works, and I guess Zane was really crying because he thought he wasn't going to have any trains, so I guess we kept Emily even though she's slightly defective. I mean, she runs, but she has trouble, like, gripping because she doesn't have that tread thing on her wheels. Let me show them the wheels. Here. Oh. So see this little gripper thing? There's supposed to be one on this side, too, but there's not for some reason, so...
Mama?
Who knows why. But all of his other ones that are motorized have 2 gripper wheels. And for some reason, the Emily we just got only has 1. If you hear a lawnmower in the background, that's because Zach and Zip are outside mowing. But Zane here wanted to stay inside and play trains because he's our train fanatic. Uh-oh, are they going to crash? Oh, Thomas derailed. Emily's like, take that. Oh, now you just derailed Emily too. Well.
But that was what came. That was the bomb.
That was a bomb?
Yeah.
Oh. I didn't know there were bombs on this railway.
Mommy, now can we do one over there?
We're coming up on 4.5 minutes. Do you still want to keep filming?
Yeah, over here.
Okay. Where are we moving to? The car track?
Yeah.
Well, wait, where are you going? Okay, apparently he wants to show you his car garage thing here. He went to go get his... Are they Hot Wheels now, or are they Matchbox cars? I forget. But anyways, whatever company it currently is, he went to go get them. I think they're Hot Wheels, right? They used to be called Matchbox, though. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, he stopped. He did not make it to the bottom. He is disqualified from this competition.
No, he's just getting some gas.
Oh, he's just getting some gas.
Yeah.
We're not entirely sure what this garage is called. He got it for Christmas. It's already semi-broken.
This one?
Yeah.
No, I got it from Papa Logan.
Yeah, for Christmas.
Oh.
He got it, but I forget what it's called.
It's...
Do you remember what it was called?
Yeah, it's, a toss head.
Anyways. Who knows what it was called. But it has, like, shark designs. It's supposed to be at, like, some kind of a shark center. There's pieces over there that's supposed to be a curvy, like, slide thing, ramp for the cars to come down, and the shark bites it. And then there, like, the exit from the upper part of the garage is the shark jaw. And there was something else sharky about it. Oh, well, like all these little signs on it have sharks on them. But, so something to do with sharks. Which Zane likes sharks. Isn't that right, Zane? We actually have a book we've been reading about sharks. What's your favorite kind of shark, Zane?
I don't know.
Do you like the tiger sharks?
Yeah, the tiger shark.
Or the great white sharks?
The tiger shark.
You like the tiger sharks?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know that I really like any shark, but probably the weirdest shark that we've read about is the cookie cutter shark. And I'm not even 100% sure he would be deadly to humans, because they just like take a cookie cutter bite out of you. They don't eat your whole body. They just take one cookie cutter bite. But anyways, ugh, I don't know. They're weird looking little sharks.
This toy?
Yeah.
And look what Grandma T got me.
Oh, Grandma Kay got you that one?
Yeah. I want to go down with it.
Will he make it? Will he make... Oh! The traffic jam right there. There seems to be some kind of a pole blocking the way. Oh! Bigger traffic jam. Hey, I forgot to tell you, Zane, I saw a wreck today.
Where?
When I was going to the my doctor's appointment to see about the baby, there was a wreck on the highway.
Not bigger, Mommy.
You know. Da-da-da-da. It wasn't like a bad wreck, so it was more like a fender bender.